It's made in Hong Kong, where Construction 2.0 meets Industry 4.0. Here is AMC. The world-class Advanced Manufacturing Center is regarded as a future-proof factory, developed and managed by Hong Kong Science and Technology Park, and located in Chung Kwan O Industrial Estate. The AMC project, with over 100,000 square meter of GFA, has involved the construction of 9-story blocks, with a 2-story basements. Gammon Construction Ltd, as the main contractor of AMC, is proud to demonstrate industry changes promoted by Hong Kong government, via Construction 2.0, established AMC as a real example now, to fully implementing the government's Construction 2.0 initiative, including innovation, professionalization, revitalization, to enhance the sustainability, and uplift our construction industry image. Most of the construction is switched from in situ to off-site manufacture, by adopting Design for Manufacture and Assembly, DFMA, Multi-Trade Integrated Mechanical, Electrical and Plumbing, MEP module, by full BIM utilization and digitalization. We adopted precast double T in typical floors, which over 8-meter height headroom, so that it saved lots of falsework and formwork, and enhanced safety on construction sites. DFMA also adopted in facade and steel works to reduce material wastage such as chinmay shaft. In respect of MEP works, 75% DFMA achieved. MEP to construct SES rooms at roof floor to shorten our construction time effectively. Thanks to these DFMA adoption, 467-ton carbon dioxide emission saving is contributed. To address the issues of labor shortage, aging workforce, safety and high construction costs, DFMA helps to reduce manpower and improve carbon saving, creating a better environment to Hong Kong to face significant future construction volumes. Also, we fully utilized digital tools and BIM in this project. By adopting these innovative ideas, workers aged over 50 is less than 35%, right, much smaller than survey from CIC. As we believed, innovative ideas helps to attract young talents, building a new chapter on a base of results. Hats off to the whole team's effort. AMC stands as a beacon for the future of construction industry in Hong Kong, becomes a catalyst to promote sustainability performance by this innovative ideas. The story will not end here, as after we studied that we could adopt our DFMA application more to achieve higher carbon saving, like adopting an RC beam and staircase, and MEP also be applied in underground utility. Construction 2.0 and M-Infinity makes the scene bigger and brighter. We shape a new future.